Some people think and believe that the world we live in came by coincidence and randomness. If you ask them how, they would tell you there was an explosion, the Big Bang, which resulted in the creation of so many universes and worlds. Most of them failed, but the one we live in was successful and suitable to be lived in. They tell you because there were millions and millions of universes that by probability it is possible that the one we live in was successful. So, I thought, why don't we try to visualize something like this, or try to make an experiment for something around these things. And I created a program which generates a random text. Every time generates 100,000 character randomly. This, on average, 20,000 words. And I've thought, let's see if randomness can produce a meaningful book or a story. Or can randomness produce anything meaningful? Any meaningful text? And I'm gonna show you now. So here is the website I created. It's publicly accessible. Anybody can go to is-universe-random on render.com, and you'd find there that whenever you refresh the page, you're getting new random text. This random text consists of 100,000 character. On average, if a word is 5 words, then we're producing what's equivalent to 200 or 20,000 words. If you check here, I don't think you can find any meaningful thing. Regardless of how many times I try, do you think that this will ever result in something meaningful? Do you think that regardless of how many times I try, that this would ever result in a meaningful book, in a meaningful story? Do you think that there would be a meaningful paragraph here? This is randomness. This is what randomness creates. Feel free to visit the website, play around, try as much as you want, check the text, and see. And if you understand programming, you're free to check the code itself. It's publicly accessible as well for transparency, and you can increase the limit. Instead of 100,000 character, you can make it million. You can make it as much as you want. So as you've seen, randomness cannot even create a meaningful text. If it can't produce a meaningful text, do you think that randomness can create the universe, the world, the intelligent world that we live in? Look at the sky. Do you see any glitch, bug, error? One day it's working, the other day it's not. The night, the day, the moon, the sun, how they are all connected and works in a system, in a pattern. Look at ourselves. We're billions of people with the same system. We all drink, we all eat, we all sleep. We all have the same thing. Even animals, we're all bound with a system. We're all connected. Everything is connected, in fact. And if you really think that randomness can create this, you have a problem. A big problem, my friend. And you really need to think about everything in your life.